Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful beginning to our holiday season. It is almost Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving for tomorrow. If you're watching this after Thanksgiving, hello, how are you? I know not everybody watches videos in succession, but so today I have a small Temu haul, and then I also have a few other really cool things I want to show you guys. The first thing I want to start out with is kind of like a Christmas gift idea. It's a perfume company that I actually buy from, and that I want to tell you guys about because I love all of their items, and that would be Dossier, and I'm sure you've heard of them before, but Dossier is running a Black Friday sale right now. You get up to 50% off. That started November 1st, so I'm running late with this. But you can enjoy up to 50% all month long during Black Friday and into Cyber Monday. After Black Friday, your savings are going to continue through December 15th. So I highly recommend getting on their website, see what specials they're running. They have an advent calendar that looks really pretty that I think I'm going to get. So I want to show you a couple of my favorite scents. All right, I put my glasses on for this because I want to show you, first off, I always purchase this one particular scent every time I order from Dossier. This is the perfect time to order from them because you can get up to 50% off. So I order as many fragrances as I can to get that 50% off. It's a spectacular deal. And these are great perfumes. Now, some of them are inspired by, and then they also have their originals collection. So this is my all-time favorite It Girl perfume scent. I will never, ever not be without it. I feel like this is the perfume that when people smell it, they would immediately think of me or think I'm somewhere close by. So this is their perfume. It's called Floral Marshmallow. Okay, and the notes, it's inspired by Killian's Love, Don't Be Shy. The top notes are marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot. The middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. The base notes are amber, vanilla, musk. So it's sweet, but it's got this very kind of sensualness to it. Anytime amber is in a scent, I always feel like it's pretty sensual, but it also has vanilla in it, which I absolutely love. So here's the Floral Marshmallow, and I love the Dossier containers because they are magnetic on the top, and so that's really fun, and I just like that they do that. I don't know why. Maybe that's the ADHD in me, I'm not sure. But these are really, really great signature scents that cost you less. You know, this is all I want for Christmas. This is all I want for Christmas. I'm a big fan of perfumes, and this one, again, it's just so good. Let me just get the... It's just so... I can't even explain. I'm definitely picking up the marshmallow and the musk and the vanilla and the amber. It just smells so good. Anytime I'm wearing this and I walk in somewhere, whether it's a store, a convenience store, and I've told this story before, you guys. I went into a convenience store to get lunch one day, and there was a guy behind the counter, and he was like, "What perfume are you wearing? I need to let my girlfriend know about this." And I said, "It's Floral Marshmallow from Dossier." It's just a beautiful scent. Highly recommend this one if you want people to notice you. Definitely, I mean, honestly, they kind of all are really good in that way, but this is the one I always wear because everybody always asks me, "What are you wearing?" Like, I walk in somewhere, people are like, "What are you wearing?" I need to know what that scent is. So the next one I want to show you is actually it's one of their originals perfumes, which these aren't really inspired by, they're just scents that they have come up with themselves. So just remember that all this month and in through December 15th, they're going to be running up to 50% off specials. So these are the best deals of the year that you're going to get from Dossier. So I'll make sure to link below both of these scents and also a link to their website so you can have all that kind of information. Let's take a look at this original scent that I picked out. I thought this would be great for this time of the year. It's called Winter Kiss. It's part of their Seasons collection, and the notes just sound divine, by the way. The top notes are milky accord, clove, nutmeg, and rum. Yeah, the middle notes are chocolate, incense, and cinnamon. So it's spicy, it sounds like. And then the base notes are vanilla, vetiver, and sandalwood. So they consider this gourmand spicy. I'm a big fan of all gourmand type of scents. So, you know, I always kind of pick those, but this just sounded perfect for this season. So I'm going to spray this one into this box just so because I already put perfume on, which I love. So let me just spray it in here. Oh, definitely spicy. Oh, this is really good. I definitely get the clove and the chocolate and the cinnamon for sure, and the vanilla. Oh, I love this one. It's very, very spicy. It's definitely got that spiciness to it, but it's very sweet but spicy. I love it. It smells so good. So they say about this particular scent, cozy up with the chemistry that smells like the perfect winter day. Winter Kiss celebrates the indulgence and gourmand sweetness of the winter season. So it's definitely very warm with that clove and cinnamon, but it's also very comforting with the milky accord and the vanilla. Great scent. I love this. Is going to be so good for wintertime. Yeah, definitely love this one too. So I'm glad I picked that up. So I want to share those two with you. I do have others I'll share with you another time, but I wanted to show you guys just a couple of other things while I was here. So in my previous past hauls, I had hauled some brooches and things like that, and necklaces that were maybe like 2 or 3 layers, but they were separate necklaces. So a couple of you gave me some great ideas in the comments. So I picked up a couple of things from Amazon that I'll link below. These are the multi-layered necklace clasps. I'm sorry, I have cat hair on me. So you can use these if, let's say, you have 2 or 3 necklaces and you want to create a layered look, but not have 4 or 5 clasps. You can get these and clasp the necklaces onto these, and then you just have one magnetic clasp in the back. So I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna get those because I love a layered necklace look. So I thought, yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy these. And someone had mentioned in the comments. So the kit that I got, or set, you get this one that has 3, you have this one that has 2, and you get a gold set and a silver set. So this is what they look like. It's a magnetic clasp, so it comes apart and goes back together. And on this side, you'll attach your necklace, and on this side, you'll put the lobster clasps on. So you can take 3 separate necklaces and make them into just one piece. So I love that idea. So I think that's a great idea for Christmas if you're getting anyone jewelry, which, you know, I think every woman deserves jewelry and perfume. Every single one of us. Okay, then, so I had this, I believe someone mentioned this in my comments too. I had shown a lot of brooches in my one video, and I said, well, you can make a pendant with these. But little did I know that you can actually buy these little, they're called super findings. And they are, hold on, let me cut this off with my fancy cat paw claw. They are actually, what do I want to call it? Like an adapter that turns a brooch into a pendant. So I got the set. There's some silver in here and some gold. So I wish I had a brooch sitting right here, but I don't, of course. Totally unprepared. But again, I'll link all these down below. So this is what they look like. Okay. So you're going to stick the pin to the brooch through here, and then your necklace will go through this part. And so you can have a brooch as a pendant. So yeah, I bought the little set because it had silver and gold in it, and there's like a couple of different sizes in here. So if you have just like a little pendant, you can do that. But that's kind of what they look like. And again, they come in silver and gold, so I got both. So I will link all of those down below. So if you're buying any brooches, just know you can always turn them into a pendant with these. And then if you have some multiple necklaces you want to wear at once, you can get these. So I will make sure to link those down below. Okay, let's get into a Temu haul. So I have some Christmas items here, seasonal items that I want to use. So I'm going to go over them. And I have some cards here. And you guys know I love cards. I love papery items and all the things. But let's start with this. So this was $6 and they're cards. You guys, there's a lot of cards here. But don't miss out on the Temu cards because I think they're really nice. So these are So cute. You're going to die when you see these. They were $6.80. I love these. I love these. Now, is there 12 in here? Let's see. Let's go through these. So you get the craft colored envelopes for these. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there's 12. You guys, look at this cute little primitive snowman. OMG, right? OMG, right? Look how cute. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Adorable, adorable, adorable. I'm pretty sure you get like 2 of each one, but look how stinking cute they are. Look how stinking cute. Now, on my Whatnot shows, I usually put a card in, like a thank you card in with whatever I send out to people. So you can use cards for so many different reasons. And these are more wintry than like Christmassy. So if I have someone that orders off my Whatnot show, which I'll leave that link down below too, then I like to put a little card that says thank you for shopping with me or whatever. And then I have some of these. Oh, these are going to be a mess. These are going to make a mess. I don't know how I'm going to... If you see this flower up here on her, and then I have this flower back here, I believe these are those, but they are a different color. So this is what they look like when they come out. And, oh boy, I'm going to have glitter all over me, you guys. These make such a mess. Now, these are a kind of like a creamy kind of white color with champagne. Oh, they're gorgeous, though. But they legit make a complete mess. And I hate that because I don't want my cats to eat any of this. So I'm going to try and, oh my gosh, I'm going to try and keep it over the table. I'm just going to have this all over me. There's just no way around that. Like, look, yeah. But I wanted some of these for maybe the mantle upstairs or, you know, something. And then this is what it looks like kind of once you get it all zhuzhed out. They're gorgeous, aren't they? Like, look at that. It's stunning. It's legit stunning. And it's got the stem on it, so, but, I mean, just look at it. It's amazing. And Kermit's down there eating my paper. But they are like a, kind of like a vanilla color with gold or champagne. I don't know. They're absolutely stunning. And you get 6 of them for $7.33. So, but like, I like to put them, you know, here. Like, these actually came from Temu as well. So I may link those below as well, but these are gorgeous, and now I have glitter everywhere. Okay, so now that I've made a complete mess out of my table with those, let's do a couple more packs of these cards. Now, these were a little bit less expensive. I think they were $7.01. I don't even remember what that last one was, but these were really cute gingerbread ones, and there is 12 cards and 12 envelopes. Again, these are tiny. You get the craft envelopes with them. But I just love the photos. They're just so like cozy and warm and inviting. I mean, just adorable. And if I would hold them the right direction, that would surely help you out, I think, right? Goodness gracious. But they're just so like cozy and inviting. How cute. With the little cocoa. Super adorable. And again, I just use these for thank you notes or anything like that. You never can have too many cards, in my opinion. So, got those, and they will go upstairs. I will either maybe be using these as Christmas cards or whatnot, cards for whatnot, or little notes or friend mail. I think they're adorable. I love them. So then I got these cards, which are somewhat like the other ones, but these were $6.80. And I believe you get 12 cards and 12 envelopes. These are not as fancy, but I still think they're adorable. They're kind of like farmhousey to me. Look at this. Look how cute this one is. It says believe with the little angel. Then you get this cute little snowman. And then this one says happy holidays with the angel. Just really cute. This little deer. And then this is so cute. Look, it says, oh, holy night. I mean, that is stinking adorable. So, love those. So, I got those. And that is it for the cards. So, we don't have to worry about cards anymore, okay? But just remember, you can always get cards off of Temu. And I know 7 seems kind of expensive maybe, but is it really? Probably not. I don't know. I love cards, so. Okay, then, oh wait, I lied. I have one, oh no, these aren't cards. These are postcards. And I thought I could use these as like thank you cards as well. They were $4.47. These are so cute, you guys. Wait till you see these. Wait till you see these. Okay, now they're just postcards. They don't have anything on the backs at all, so you can write whatever you want on the back. But they are like cupcakes. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Just so cute. Look at this little coffee cup one. And then you've got this little Victorian coffee cup. Just so adorable. Like, so cute and sweet. Yeah, so cute. Love them. So I kind of got those just to also write thank you notes on. Really cute. $4.47. And they're called afternoon tea. So those are adorable. Adorable. All right, then I have this. This was $15.44. Oh, I think these are candles, you guys. Oh, yay. I can't wait to put these up. I'm so glad I got these. Now, I know you're thinking, $15? You spent $15 on Temu on one item? What are you doing with your life? Good question. So there's 6 pieces in here, and these are candles that you put in the window that are solar powered. So you get all of these suction cups to put on the window, right? And then you get the candles, and they do take batteries. So I will show you what these are like lit up like on my next video for Friday, because I'm doing a little collab on Friday, and I will definitely show them in that video because it's more of a decor video. But these are so cute. And I just love that they're battery operated and they have like auto on off. And yeah, auto on off, like absolutely. So I love that. Light sensor. So it has a light sensor. So they auto turn on at dark and auto turn on at dusk. So we're going to find out, because I'm going to put some batteries in these when I go upstairs. And look, this one has a big sticker on it. Well, that's stupid. But anyways, this is what they look like. And they flicker too. So I will definitely show you guys what these look like lit up. But I love that they give you the little suction cups too, so that you can, you know, put them. Oh, these are heavy duty. Oh, there we go. So they suction onto your windows. I love that. I love candles in the windows at Christmas. Love, 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 love. Love. So I will show you what those, again, now that I've said it a million times, yeah, I will show you what those look like once I get them all set up and on the windows and all of that. I can't wait to see what they look like. Okay, last but certainly not least, I got some more florals because I feel like I haven't got enough Christmas florals yet. I'm trying to like get some more florals and get some decorating done. And so I got these. They were $11.54. And it says 5 branches of exquisite. It says on here, exquisite and beautiful. So they must be exquisite and beautiful then, right? If it says that on the package, then you have to know that they are absolutely going to be exquisite and beautiful, right? So I thought these would be pretty outside because a lot of them, I'm sorry for the crinkling, because most of my stuff outside is going to be red. And a lot of my stuff inside is going to be, I don't really know, to be honest. So this is what they look like non-zhuzhed. This is before zhuzhing. And then I thought they were really pretty. They look like pine. You just kind of start pulling them apart like this. And then this one right here has this poinsettia. And it's got some berries. And so this is what it looks like zhuzhed out. So yeah, those are really nice. And then if these don't zhuzh out for you, just run a hairdryer on them a little bit and they'll kind of loosen up and come apart. But these look great. I think they look so good. So I'm going to take these upstairs and put them outside right now. And yeah, so we're going to start decorating outside and I'll show you what that looks like once it all comes together. So I hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving. Please like and subscribe and share my videos and give me a hype if you can. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Dossier. I will leave all of those links to everything down below. Thank you so much. Happy shopping this weekend. Happy Black Friday. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Cyber Monday. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.